How to fix payment failed on Cash App. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can fix payment failed on Cash App, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix your payment failed on Cash App, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then basically launch the Cash App on your device. Once you launch Cash App on your phone, you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Then sometimes payment could be failed because you don't have enough or sufficient cash balance, so just make sure you have enough cash balance. If you don't have, then just tap the add cash button in order to go ahead and add the amount of cash that you want to from your bank or your debit card. Now, many of the times this also happens if the recipient's account is likely spammy account. So Cash App does this purposefully in order to go ahead and protect you from fraud. So when you're trying to send money to a Cash App account that's quite suspicious, Cash App is going to notice that and they're going to block your payment. But if you're 100% sure that the person you're trying to send money is not a spam account, you can just try to contact Cash App support to help solve the problem. For that, tap the profile from the top right, then scroll, look for the option called support here, tap on it. Once you tap on the option called support, you should be able to go ahead and find the option called chat, and then you'll be able to talk to a support team. Let them know that you're having this issue, and then they should be able to help you with it. This way you can go ahead and then actually fix payment method failed in Cash App. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.